Tiangong. Chinese space station. Source, BBC, New York Times. By visualgk.com. Tiangong Space Station, or Heavenly Palace, is a permanently crewed space station, constructed by China, and operated by China Manned Space Agency, in low Earth orbit, between 340 and 450 kilometers, above the surface. It has a pressurized volume of 340 cubic meters, slightly over one-third the size of the International Space Station. Tiangong ties into China's grand ambitions to become a spacefaring superpower that can rival the likes of the United States and Russia, and maybe even surpass them. Tiangong Space Station. Here's a look at the main components that make up the station. Tianhe. Launched April 29, 2021. The Tianhe Control Center was the first section to launch. A central docking hub connects the module to other sections of the space station, or to visiting spacecraft. Tianhe also has a hatch for astronauts to enter and exit the station. Experiment modules. Launched July 24 and October 31, 2022. Tian and Mengshan are two experiment modules that connect to the Tianhe core module. Astronauts will conduct research in biotechnology, microgravity, and space materials science. Other spacecraft will visit the station regularly to deliver food, supplies, and crew members. Tianzhou and Shenzhou are two such transit methods between Earth and the space station. Tianzhou. The Tianzhou spacecraft are a series of automated ships that supply the space station with cargo and propellant. The Tiangong-1 can carry 6 tons, the approximate weight of an adult elephant. Its interior is divided into a cargo compartment and a propulsion section. Shenzhou. The piloted Shenzhou spacecraft carry astronauts and equipment to the space station. Each Shenzhou craft consists of an orbital module, a re-entry module, and a service section. Tiangong vs ISS. Tiangong is much smaller than the International Space Station, ISS. Size. Tiangong. 180 feet long. ISS. 356 feet long. Weight. Tiangong. 77 tons. ISS. 450 tons. Modules. Tiangong. 3. ISS. 16. Why does China have its own space station? China is excluded from the ISS program, largely due to US concerns over the Chinese space program's links with the People's Liberation Army, the military branch of the ruling Communist Party. In 2011, Congress prohibited NASA from cooperating substantially with its Chinese counterpart, without prior authorization. This law, known as the Wolf Amendment, makes it very difficult for China to participate in the ISS program, if the nation even wishes to do so. China is not an ISS partner, and no Chinese astronaut has ever visited the venerable outpost. As such, the nation's only option for off-Earth work was to build its own space station. The future of Tiangong. There is already talk of extending Tiangong beyond its 3 planned modules, to allow a broader range of activities, in the future, that is, more experiments, and better living conditions for Chinese astronauts, or Tiangong-nauts. The space station is expected to last 10 years, and in the future, there could be as many as 6 different modules. Alike to NASA, the Chinese Space Agency have already opened up to the involvement of commercial companies to help find more efficient ways of transporting cargo, and who knows, the role of commercial companies could expand to become even broader in years to come. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com